Meaning of fish finger.
Fish finger.
Fish finger.
Fish finger.
Fish finger. A fish finger is a type of food that typically consists of a rectangular piece of fish that has been coated in breadcrumbs or batter and then deep-fried or grilled. It is commonly eaten as a snack or as part of a meal, often served with chips and peas. The popularity of fish fingers has led to them being mass-produced and widely available in supermarkets and restaurants worldwide. They are a convenient and affordable way to enjoy fish, and are especially popular among children and those who are not fond of the strong taste of fish.